Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Qayyum from Q's Basic Cooking, and today in this recipe I'm going to make some green chili pickles. And if you like it, I have the recipe, a very easy basic recipe how to make it. I have already washed the green chilies and dried them, and now I'm taking the caps off. Just twist it off. You don't want to cut the heads of the peppers, just twist the caps off or the tops. There you go. Make sure they're dry. Once all the caps are off, we are going to slash the pepper. Just drop the pepper on a surface, whichever side it sits on. Just take the knife and slash the top. Just make one slash. Just drop the pepper. It's sitting in this side. That's just slice it on that side. This was just an old trick. It makes it easier to put the slash in it because it's sitting properly. In Urdu they say "Oont jis karvat baithta hai." So whatever side it is, just slash it. Alrighty, let's do all of them. Alright, all done. They're nice and dry and slash from the middle. One long slash. Alright, so let's make the filling for it. This is going to be a yummy chatpati filling. And here comes the sea salt. 3, 4. Okay, that should be enough. Now we have mustard seeds. There are different kind of mustard seeds. The one I have, they're dark red blackish mustard seeds. You can crush them or just use them like that. Then I have amchoor. Amchoor is the dry mango powder, dry green mango powder actually. And then I have sonf. Sonf is the fennel seeds. All right. Fennel seeds are so good. Okay, this is fenugreek seeds, and you can crush them. These are crushed. People use whole too, but I like the crushed ones because they're kind of hard. So when they are crushed, they get ready faster. Okay, this crushed coriander seeds. You can also use whole coriander seeds, or you can toast them and crush them yourself. Whatever I have, except for mustard seeds, everything is crushed. Hot pepper oil. You can use pepper powder. You can use paprika if you don't like it too hot. Okie doke. So since I use the pepper oil, I don't have to use 3 spoons of mustard oil in it to mix it because my peppers always have oil in it. There you go. Yes, lemon juice or vinegar. I don't want to use both, just to give it that citrusy flavor, that khata meetha, not meetha, that's chatpata and khata masala. So I'm not using lemon juice. I'm using 2 tablespoons of vinegar, white vinegar. There you go. Mix, mix, mix. This smells so good. If you taste it, you oh God, it's just so good. I don't know how to explain it. I have made pickles, homemade pickles before. I will try to post the link in this video. And down below, I will post a link for just homemade pickles that I made in water and vinegar. But this one is desi spices. So if you're desi, you know what I mean. Every time we eat, we crave the pickles. Especially sometimes in the breakfast, I use the green chili hari mirch ka achar. This achar is just so good. Me and my papa, anytime we would make the achar, we can start eating right away. But for the rest of the family, like my mom and they will wait for it. But it just smells so good. It's irresistible. You can't sometimes resist it. So I can just, me and my papa can just start eating it right away. So for me, this is already ready. But for everybody else, you have to let it sit 2 days in the sun or in the window. Oh man, this smells good. All right, whatever the leftover mixture is, the pickle mix we made, just put it in, and then just thinly slice like half a small carrot, and just put it in there, just to add a little extra stuff and flavor, or you don't have to add it. And sometimes I add those whenever I buy garlic, those teeny tiny little garlic, that those are left behind in my basket. One day I just pick them up and I add them to my pickle, and not only they come handy, they're very yummy too. So there you go. This pickle I'm making, I think it's gonna last me for like 3 months, and after that I'll make fresh one again. Alrighty, so let's just cover it with the plastic. You can put it in a jar too if you want. Oops. Uh-oh. Anyways. Okay. We're not perfect. And this is my everyday kitchen, so yeah, mishaps happen. Nobody's perfect. We're all human, right? Okay, there you go. There you go. Okie doke. Just leave it in the light, or if you have access to the sun, just put it in the window where the sun comes in for 2 days. I cover it with plastic, but go ahead, use a glass jar. Just make sure you put them in a glass container or a glass jar. Alright, so after 2 days, just add some mustard oil to it. Oh, it smells good. It smells good. Another tip I can give you is, if you don't want to put it for 2 days, just give it a few minutes in the microwave. Let it sit for the day on the table, and then put it in the jar. There you go. That's my green chili pickles, desi style. Let me know what you think about it. Don't forget to subscribe. Yep. Go ahead, do it already. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Oh, this is so good. Starting tomorrow morning, I'm going to start eating it. Goes perfect with my paratha. So that's Q's green chili desi pickle. Thanks.